guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janae and this is Janai's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be sharing another simple recipe. It's roasted potatoes using this Recipe Secrets onion mix. I started making these on nights where I just couldn't be bothered. And I know a lot of you probably can relate to that, but there are some nights I just don't have a lot of time, but I want to get something on the table that tastes good. And this recipe only requires 3 ingredients, which I absolutely love. You'll need some olive oil, potatoes of course, and 1 of the soup packets. Alright you guys, if you're looking for a quick side item to add to your weeknight menu, let's get started. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.